right, guys, got the FG2 warming up right now. Pretty frosty morning, prepping for my trip down south. So I'm bringing her down to South Carolina and to Georgia, guys. Stay tuned for when I get there. Be sure you guys are liking. It's currently March 13th, 8 o'clock in the morning, and I am heading down. I have the whole car packed up here. You can see my little duffel bag and whatnot. I got stuff in the trunk too. I'm heading down to South Carolina for the week to spend time with a buddy, and then straight from there I'm heading to truck school. So I'm very excited for this. It almost doesn't feel real. Everything's kind of like hasn't hit me yet, but little thing to fill you guys in, I basically quit my job at 30 and decided it was time for a career change. So I got my CDL permit, first shot, happy, studied, and now I'm taking new career moves, so new endeavors. But that's what's up, man. That thing is clean too, dude. All right, guys, just made a quick stop out here in Jersey. I'm checking my cold air intake because I thought I heard something rubbing, but everything looks good. The filter's still intact. My zip tie snapped, unfortunately, but it is what it is. And the amount of discipline it just took to come to McDonald's to use the bathroom and not give food, that was pretty tough. But my old self would have grabbed a nice big old breakfast sandwich, poison breakfast sandwich, and a coffee, but I didn't do that today, so I'm happy. I'm proud of myself. Cooking up some shrimp, got some seasoning on there, a little bit of butter. So tonight's dinner, we're doing shrimp, we're doing some mushroom burgers, and what else we got, Phil? What else we got going on
right now?
Yeah, what else we got?
They call me corned beef. Cruising some South Carolina roads right now, boys. I can't even keep up with this guy. All right, guys, just got back. We are going to do a bonfire tonight. It's 8 o'clock, and it was a super successful night. So make sure you guys show some love. Give me likes down below. Phil, what do you have to say about tonight, man? Hell yeah, boy.
Yeah. Shout out this kid for having me, bro. Straight up. Always respect the South Carolina stay.
I got some more tunes and stuff to run tomorrow. Maybe we can do some more runs.
I'm scared, man. I'm quitting right now. I put in the rag.
It just turned on.